Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share internet from your Samsung Galaxy A17. Okay, so for sharing internet, I need to have internet, so I'll insert my SIM card. I have forgotten to do it earlier. So let's go here and let's insert the SIM card, and this video will show you several methods of sharing internet, not only the standard like hotspot method, but there's gonna be also tethering, so we'll see different methods. Now let's put the tray in and I should get connected. And now let's go to connections. I don't know why I don't have any signal currently, but yeah, it has discovered the number. Yeah, I should actually go to connections, right? Yeah, mobile hotspot and tethering. Now we have everything, and then there is gonna be mobile hotspot, Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering, and Ethernet tethering. So I'll explain all of them. Let's go to mobile hotspot first. This is the most common method. You can simply enable it. Before enabling it, you can also change the network name, the password, and the band. I will set it to I will change it a little bit. Let's set the password to just something simple. Has to have at least 8 digits if it's secured with the WPA2 personal. If it's secured with a WEP, then it's an old standard. I wouldn't recommend using that, but the old standard has very weird like requirements for the password. Now I will select 5 GHz. Not all devices support 5 GHz, but it's a faster network. And now let's save it. Then I'll just enable the mobile hotspot. I will need to turn off Wi-Fi for that because it uses the same antenna, so it can't really receive Wi-Fi at the same time while sharing. Now I'll go to Wi-Fi on my other device. And you can see I have the Galaxy A17. Now I can enter its password and approve it. Now I am connected, and you can see it shows that it's connected currently. So this is the first method. Now I'm gonna disable it because we need to get to the second method. The second method is Bluetooth tethering, and you can enable it right here. Now you will need to connect to a device. I personally, I think I prefer using it on computer with the tethering, so I'm just gonna make sure I have Bluetooth on my computer that I'm using currently. Yeah, I'm not using Bluetooth currently, so I'll actually try doing it on a phone. I'll just get a different one because I don't think it'll work on iPhones. I mean, technically, we can later check if it works on an iPhone, but as for now, I'm not sure. Also, as always, I need to plug this phone in because it's always discharged. Yeah, and now we should get to the settings on both devices, and here I'm gonna get to network and internet. No, actually connected devices, and then Bluetooth. I just need to connect, pair a new device. Let's see if it already discovers Galaxy. Yeah, if not, I would need to enable Bluetooth. Now it is pairing, so we can click on pair if the same code is being displayed. It is connecting, and now you can see there is a device currently connected, so it should be working. Let's see if it does. Gonna try disabling Wi-Fi. and seeing if I can go to any website. Probably it's gonna be hard to go to any website because I have a slow connection on the SIM card, but let's go to like HardReset.Info. Oh, I made a little mistake. Yeah, it is loading. Even though I have Wi-Fi disabled, it is loading. So as you can see, it works. Okay, now I'm gonna try doing it on an iPhone, just so we know, because I've never done it on an iPhone, so it may be worth trying. Okay, I'm gonna try connecting to the Galaxy. Let's click on pair. And yeah, it displays hotspot icon in the top right corner, which means I'm using currently a hotspot, so it's a really good thing that it works. Now we should get to the USB tethering. USB tethering also can technically work on phones, but I think it's most useful for computers. If you want to plug it into a computer that doesn't have internet access, like your laptop, for example, that you have somewhere out, and USB is gonna have a better internet speed than just Wi-Fi, right? So I will plug the phone into the computer. Now I'm gonna allow access to phone data. Let's enable USB tethering, and I'll see if it works on my computer. Well, I would need to first actually go. I'll show you the monitor in a moment, but first I'll see if it works. And as you can see, it works because my Ethernet 3 is this USB tethering. Ethernet 2 is just my Ethernet cable connected to the computer. So yeah, but if I unplug it, you can see that it stops working. And if I plug it in and enable USB tethering on the phone, then it has internet. So yeah, this is how it works. Now the last one is Ethernet tethering. It's also a really easy feature, so I won't explain how to use it. Rather, I won't show how to use it because I would need to plug it into my computer. My computer is quite far away from my monitor, so it's not really convenient for me. But once you plug in a USB Ethernet adapter, you can buy something like that. You can plug it into your phone, then plug in the Ethernet cable, and I'll show you how the adapter works. I have one for myself, but I'll just search for it. It's USB Ethernet adapter. You can purchase it. It's not too, it's around, you can see $10, $10 US. And yeah, but we will need a USB-C, so also it's worth mentioning that we need the USB-C to Ethernet adapter, and they are also like, I don't know, $15. And you can plug it into your phone, then get the cable and plug it in directly to your computer, and it's gonna have the highest speeds because it's gonna go over Ethernet, not over USB, and also it's gonna have a higher speed because no higher speed, but higher distance, because Ethernet cable runs on very high distances up to, like, I guess 50 meters, where USB runs up to like possibly up to 4 or 5 meters, not 50. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.